Hi guys, Adam from Vernon Toyota here. Today I'm going to be showing you our 2003 Chevrolet Tahoe. This vehicle has right around 219,000 kilometers on it, and we're currently asking $12,995. This vehicle has over 56 different servicing records. It's been very well maintained. It does come with an aftermarket remote start. This vehicle comes fully loaded as well with leather. So you're going to have power seats in here. You're also going to have a DVD system in the back. So yeah, there you got your heated seats. It does come equipped with a dash cam as well. It's extremely clean. The previous owner took really good care of it. The leather's all in great shape. It does come with WeatherTech floor mats as well. I'll open up the back. So as you can see, the carpet and everything is in very good condition. It hasn't even been detailed yet. And this is how it was traded in. Up here, this is where your DVD system is going to be. Let's pull that down. So yeah, there you have it. You can put the DVDs up there. Down here as well, there is rear climate control settings, and also you can adjust the volume for the movies. Yeah, it does have an aftermarket deck in it as well. Yeah, very, very well maintained. Let's just have a look at the back here. It's a beautiful green color as well. It does have a MagnaFlow exhaust on it. It's not loud, it sounds great. Really enhances the sound. Yeah, if you'd like to come take this vehicle for a test drive, feel free to call 250-545-0687. We look forward to it.